Ranking Member.
I want to ask a question of Mr. Panuccio, and I think you addressed this earlier, and I want to make sure there's clarity, at least in my mind, on your response. President Trump's executive orders attacking a number of law firms because they employed attorneys who were involved in litigation or represented clients that he did not approve of. I also understand that he's withdrawing security clearances for some members of those law firms, which of course would impact their client relationship and their ability to do work. What is the impact of those executive orders on the targeted firms?
Ranking Member Durbin, you would have to ask those law firms what the impact has been.
What message do you think these executive orders send to the legal community more broadly?
I think you'd have to ask the legal community more broadly.
I'm asking you. You're with a law firm, and it's not unreasonable to ask you, has it come up in conversation in the last 2 weeks among your colleagues?
Well, it's not what I was invited here to testify about,
Well,
Senator. I think all of these law firms have the ability, if as with any party in this country, to seek individual relief in a court, as many of them are doing.
Yeah. So you kind of think just routine legal work.
Challenging an executive order, whether it was in the Biden administration or this administration or the Bush administration, has become routine in this country, and the courts are open for those individuals to seek redress.
Professor Vladeck, do you have any thoughts on this subject?
I mean, I don't mean to repeat myself from before, Senator. I just think that, we should all be invested, and by we, I mean lawyers, law professors, members of Congress. The courts thrive when they are receiving the best possible arguments from the members of the bar. And, I think everyone's going to have their own views on who has weaponized what against whom. I think the notion that we should be getting to a place where the executive branch is openly threatening law firms in contexts in which those threats are designed to prevent lawsuits against the federal government jeopardizes the very accountability that the separation of powers exists to protect.
Professor Bray?
I think you need a strong and independent bar to represent the interests of all the people in the United States.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ranking Member.